Dream of making money from home without spending a fortune? In just a few minutes, I'll reveal 11 powerful machines under $500 that can kickstart your very own business. Some ready to use right now. 1. Perfume Capping Tongs. The perfume capping tongs may seem simple, but they are an essential tool for anyone producing or selling perfumes. These tongs securely fasten bottle caps, preventing leaks and ensuring that the fragrance inside stays fresh and intact. Their ergonomic design makes the capping process easy and smooth, even when working with multiple bottles in a row. Made from high-quality materials, they are durable and reliable, capable of withstanding repeated use without bending or breaking. For anyone looking to produce perfumes professionally, these tongs are a small but crucial part of the production process. For entrepreneurs, perfume capping tongs are more than just a tool. They're a way to maintain product quality and customer satisfaction. A well-sealed bottle looks professional and keeps your perfume safe from contamination or evaporation. They're perfect for small-scale perfume makers, beauty product creators, or anyone looking to sell homemade fragrances. The simplicity of the tool also makes it beginner-friendly, allowing you to focus on creating your products while ensuring that each bottle reaches your customers in perfect condition. It's a tiny investment that makes a big difference in the presentation and reliability of your product line. 2. Semi-automatic labeling machine. This semi-automatic labeling machine is designed for businesses that sell packaged goods in bottles or vials. It allows you to quickly and accurately apply labels, saving hours of manual work while giving your products a professional appearance. The machine can handle different sizes and shapes of bottles, and its adjustable speed settings allow you to tailor the labeling process to match your production needs. By automating this task, you not only increase efficiency but also reduce errors, ensuring that every product looks polished and consistent. For small business owners, a labeling machine is a game changer. Proper labeling makes your products market-ready and builds customer trust, which is essential for growing your brand. Whether you're selling homemade beverages, cosmetics, or health supplements, this machine helps you present your products professionally without spending a fortune on labor. Its semi-automatic operation is perfect for home-based businesses or small-scale production, giving you the flexibility to scale up as your business grows. Investing in a labeling machine means saving time, improving quality, and enhancing the overall appeal of your products. 3. Horizontal Automatic Food Plastic Bag Packer. The Horizontal Automatic Food Plastic Bag Packer is a versatile machine that's perfect for anyone looking to package food products efficiently and professionally. Designed to handle various types of products, from dry snacks to small baked goods, this machine ensures each bag is sealed tightly and consistently, giving your products a polished, store-ready appearance. Its high-speed operation allows you to package more items in less time, which is ideal for small to medium-sized food businesses looking to grow without increasing labor costs. The machine is also compact and easy to use, meaning it can fit into a small kitchen or home production space without requiring a dedicated industrial setup. Whether you're packaging chips, nuts, candies, or dried fruits, this bagger ensures that every product is neatly sealed and ready for sale, which is crucial for maintaining quality and customer satisfaction. What makes this horizontal bagging machine particularly appealing for entrepreneurs is its balance of efficiency and affordability. Unlike larger, industrial machines, it doesn't require extensive training or a massive workspace, yet it delivers professional results that help your products stand out in the market. Small business owners can take advantage of this machine to experiment with different bag sizes, product types, and packaging styles, allowing them to test new ideas without heavy upfront costs. For catering companies, small food producers, or even home-based entrepreneurs, this machine streamlines the packaging process, reduces waste, and ensures consistency across every batch, making it a practical and profitable investment for growing your food business. 4. Manual U-shaped sausage trimming machine. The manual U-shaped sausage trimming machine is a simple yet incredibly useful tool for anyone working with sausages, meat products, or charcuterie. Its design consists of two U-shaped parts that clamp around the sausage, allowing you to trim and shape the ends easily with a manual mechanism. The adjustable width of the U-shaped parts means you can work with sausages of various sizes, giving you the flexibility to produce consistent, neatly shaped products every time. This machine is perfect for small-scale sausage makers, home cooks, or entrepreneurs experimenting with artisanal meat products, as it helps maintain a professional appearance and improves the overall quality of the final product. The manual operation also means it's cost-effective and doesn't require electricity, making it accessible for beginners or those with limited budgets. For small business owners, the U-shaped trimming machine is an ideal way to improve efficiency and product presentation. By trimming sausage ends neatly and uniformly, you can offer high-quality, visually appealing products that customers are more likely to trust and buy. It's especially valuable for home-based businesses or small food production setups, as it allows you to scale production without investing in expensive industrial equipment. Whether you're selling locally, at farmers markets, or online, this tool ensures that your sausages look as good as they taste, enhancing your brand's reputation and helping you stand out in a competitive market. 5. Portable electromagnetic machine for sealing bottles. The portable electromagnetic machine for sealing bottles is a compact and easy-to-use device designed to provide hermetically sealed packaging for bottles of various sizes and shapes. Using electromagnetic induction, it generates the thermal energy necessary to seal aluminum foil caps tightly, ensuring that liquids remain fresh and safe from contamination. This type of sealing is especially important for food, medical, and cosmetic products, where product integrity is critical. Despite its small size, the machine is capable of handling a wide range of bottle types, making it a flexible and reliable tool for entrepreneurs who need secure packaging without investing in large industrial machines. Its portability means you can move it around easily, use it for small batches, or operate it in different production areas, which is ideal for home-based businesses or small production facilities. This machine is a game changer for small business owners because it combines efficiency with reliability. Properly sealed bottles not only maintain product quality, but also enhance your professional image, which is essential when building a brand. From bottled beverages and health tonics to cosmetic oils and medicinal syrups, the electromagnetic sealer ensures your products remain uncontaminated, leak-free, and shelf-ready. The ease of use also means you don't need specialized training to operate it effectively, making it perfect for small startups looking to maintain high standards without adding complexity to production. With this machine, even small businesses can deliver products that meet commercial quality standards, giving them a competitive edge in the marketplace. 6. Code printing machine. The code printing machine is an essential tool for businesses that need to print expiration dates, batch numbers, or other product information directly onto packaging. It works with a variety of materials, including paper, plastic, and metal, making it versatile for many industries. The machine's precision ensures that all printed information is clear, legible, and professional, which is crucial for regulatory compliance and customer trust. It also allows you to customize printing parameters, enabling you to create different types of codes according to your business needs. For entrepreneurs who want to produce products at home or on a small scale, this machine ensures that each package is labeled accurately and consistently, which enhances your product's credibility in the market. Beyond its basic functionality, the code printing machine is a valuable asset for scaling production. By automating the labeling of batch numbers and expiration dates, you can save significant time compared to manual methods while reducing the risk of errors. This is particularly important for food products, cosmetics, or health-related items, where accurate labeling is essential for safety and compliance. Small business owners can also experiment with different packaging materials and printing styles, allowing them to create visually appealing products that attract customers. For anyone looking to run a professional, trustworthy business from home or a small facility, the code printing machine provides both efficiency and peace of mind, making it a smart investment for long-term growth. 7. Bottle code printing machine, semi-automatic. The bottle code printing machine is a semi-automatic device designed specifically for printing information directly onto bottles, making it an essential tool for small beverage, cosmetic, or pharmaceutical businesses. It can print batch numbers, expiration dates, and other important product details with high accuracy and clarity. The semi-automatic design allows for efficient operation without the need for a fully industrial setup, making it ideal for startups or home-based businesses. It's versatile enough to handle different bottle sizes and shapes, which means you can produce a variety of products without investing in multiple machines. This capability is crucial for small business owners looking to expand their product range while keeping costs low. What makes this machine especially valuable is the professional finish it provides. Accurate labeling and coding are not only required for compliance, but also improve the customer experience by giving them confidence in your products. It reduces human error, saves time, and ensures consistency across every batch. Whether you're producing juices, oils, sauces, or cosmetic products, this machine allows your business to scale while maintaining a polished, professional look. For entrepreneurs who want to compete with larger brands without a huge investment, a semi-automatic bottle code printer is a simple yet powerful tool to enhance both efficiency and credibility. 8. Ultra-portable handheld printer. The ultra-portable handheld printer is an incredibly flexible solution for entrepreneurs who need to print QR codes, dates, and other information on the go. Its compact design makes it easy to carry and operate anywhere, from a small production room to a local market stall. Unlike traditional labeling machines, this handheld printer allows you to print directly on a variety of surfaces, including bottles, boxes, and bags, in a single motion. This portability is a game changer for small business owners, as it eliminates the need for bulky equipment and gives you the freedom to handle multiple products without setting up a production line. Beyond convenience, the handheld printer offers a lot of creative freedom for small businesses. You can print promotional QR codes, special batch numbers, or even custom messages on your packaging, which helps differentiate your products and build your brand identity. It's perfect for businesses testing new product lines or running seasonal promotions, as you can adjust the print content instantly. Despite its portability, it maintains high printing accuracy, ensuring that each product looks professional. For startups or home-based businesses, this tool is a low-cost yet highly effective way to elevate packaging quality and streamline operations, making your products stand out in competitive markets. 9. Automatic dough rolling machine. The automatic dough rolling machine is designed for anyone looking to simplify dough preparation for dumplings, pastries, or similar foods. This machine ensures that dough is rolled to a uniform thickness and size, which is essential for maintaining product quality and consistency. By automating this step, it reduces preparation time, minimizes waste, and eliminates the variability that can occur with manual rolling. Whether you're running a home-based dumpling business, a bakery, or a small food production venture, this machine provides a professional solution for creating perfectly rolled dough quickly and efficiently. The real value of this dough rolling machine lies in its ability to improve productivity without sacrificing quality. Small-scale food producers can increase their output while maintaining consistent results, which is crucial for building a loyal customer base. It also allows entrepreneurs to experiment with different dough types, thicknesses, and product sizes, opening opportunities to create unique offerings that stand out in the market. From homemade dumplings to specialty pastries, this machine provides a strong foundation for scaling a food business while ensuring professional-level consistency and quality that customers will love. 10. Electronic dumpling maker, semi-automatic. The electronic dumpling maker is a semi-automatic device that allows you to produce dumplings efficiently right in your kitchen or small production space. It automates much of the labor-intensive process, forming dough, filling, and shaping dumplings to uniform size and quality. This is especially useful for home-based food businesses or small restaurants that want to produce fresh, professional-quality dumplings without the hassle of manual labor. Even beginners can use this machine effectively, making it a practical tool for anyone looking to start a dumpling-focused business. In addition to saving time, the dumpling maker ensures consistency and reduces waste, which is essential for profitability. Each dumpling comes out perfectly shaped, making your products more appealing to customers and increasing the likelihood of repeat business. Small-scale entrepreneurs can use this machine to test new recipes, flavors, or filling combinations without risking significant raw material loss. By combining speed, precision, and ease of use, the electronic dumpling maker gives home-based food businesses the ability to produce high-quality products that rival those of larger commercial kitchens, all with minimal investment and effort. 11. Home-based food production equipment, combined systems. The final category is not a single machine, but a combination of home-based food production equipment, including dough rollers, dumpling makers, and packaging tools. By integrating these machines, you can create a small but highly efficient production line right at home. This setup allows you to prepare, shape, and package products like dumplings, pastries, sauces, or oils with minimal effort while maintaining a professional standard. Each machine complements the other, creating a seamless workflow that saves time, reduces waste, and ensures consistent quality across all products. For aspiring entrepreneurs, combining these machines offers the ultimate home-based business solution. You can produce a variety of products for local markets, online sales, or catering services without needing a large commercial space. The investment is relatively low compared to industrial setups, yet the potential for profitability is significant, especially if you focus on high-quality, handmade, or specialty foods. By using these machines together, you can create a mini production empire from your own kitchen, experiment with product lines, and build a brand that reflects quality, professionalism, and efficiency, all while keeping startup costs manageable. Now you know the 11 machines that can turn your home into a money-making hub. Pick one, start small, and watch your side hustle grow into a real business.